welcome back to my channel. Today it's a weekly analysis that we are looking into NSE stocks. Although I have few stocks here that have been shortlisted for next week's trading, I'm using the three-step price action strategy. I have got three stocks that I'll be looking at. The first one is Balkrishna Industries. As you can see, we have been observing this for the past few days, and this is a zone of interest. Let me just show you once again. This is a zone of interest, and the price is around that zone. So as we have marked here, we are looking for a second entry here. As you can see, price dropped here very quickly, so that's why we are not looking for the first entry. I see this as the first entry, and because the price dropped very sharply, we are looking for second entry, something like this, where it comes back to that zone again and gives us a very good buying opportunity. Then I'll be looking for long trade here in Balkrishna Industries. So we just have to wait for the price to come back to this zone once again, and then we'll look for buying entry. And the strategy, as you know, I have provided the link in the description about this strategy, where I have explained the strategy in full details. Please check that out if you haven't done yet. So the simple strategy is this: the trend is up, and then we have identified, the second step is we have identified the zone that we are interested in, and then we look for buying opportunity, and we do the quality assessment to see whether we get a very nice 1:2 risk to reward ratio, and take the trade. That's it, guys. So the next stock I would be monitoring using this particular strategy is Maruti. Again, it's the same thing. You don't see much difference in both of these two stocks here. In Maruti as well, the price came down very sharply here, so I was not interested in the first entry, and I'll be looking for price to retest this level again, and then gives us a very good buying opportunity when we look for 1:2 risk to reward ratio. So that's it. Even here is the same thing. The trend is up, zone we are interested in we have marked, and it is around that zone. So if we get a buying opportunity somewhere in this zone, we'll look for a buying opportunity. And if you're thinking like, if the price just goes up from this level, what do? We just ignore that. That's it. We only trade when the price comes to our zone and gives us a good trading opportunity. Okay. And the third stock that I would be interested in is the Ramco Cements. In this we are looking for a sell opportunity. Okay, this is the zone I'll be looking, because you can see here the trend is down. Okay, it's making lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows. It's actually down at the moment. So what I'll be looking for is look for the price to come up to this level here and give us a very nice selling opportunity. Then I'm going to take a sell opportunity. If the price goes down from this, which is also a likely scenario, then I would not be interested in that anymore. I would be interested in selling this only at this level, because I see that as a value zone, and if price comes back to that level, then I'd be looking for a sell opportunity. So these are the three stocks that I'm interested in. Although I've got other stocks, those are all based on different strategies. For the time being, we are just focusing on three-step price action strategy, wherein we first identify the trend, whether it is up or down, and we are not interested in the sideways market at all. So if it is in an uptrend, we only look for buying opportunities. If it is in a downtrend, we look only for sell opportunities, and we mark our zones. If price comes to those levels and gives us a nice trading opportunity with a good risk to reward ratio, which is at least 1:2, we are not going to look for any trades below that. Okay, we need to get at least 1:2, only then we'll be taking the trades. Okay, I hope this clarifies very well, and these are the three stocks I'd be interested in this particular strategy for the next week, or maybe after that as well. But this is how I'll be looking for taking the trades in these three stocks. Okay, thank you guys. I hope you like this video. If you like it, you know what to do. Please share, subscribe if you haven't done yet, and like this video. This keeps me motivated, and I'll be posting you a lot more videos like this every week, and also share with you the advanced price action strategies. So yeah, stay tuned to this channel and look forward for many more videos. Thank you very much, guys.